Hey guys, today is Tuesday, 24th of September, New York AM session, 8:02 AM. The time. I started a little bit late, but coming to the session, I marked out this 1 hour resistance up the top here, and this is the all-time high. And I've marked down the 1 hour support as well down here, right? Now the 7 AM candle, it closes bullish, so I had to draw support over here. Now I am already in a position, so I saw this nice clean range to the upside, right? Which means that that is an area where I would like to sell into. Yeah, so this would be an internal breakout play on the 5 minutes. Right, so I entered on the close of that candle because it officially has broken the 5-minute support, right? And I had my stop loss up there. All right, and that will be my TP for tonight. Okay, so we'll see how that plays out. All right, so just to I just want to show you on my MT5. Okay, so on my MT5, so that's where I entered upon the close of that candle, and then that's where I put my stop loss, right? That's where I put my stop loss. I entered here, and that's my TP, which is down here as well. Yeah, which is down there, right? Just so you know. All right. There's red folder news at 10 a.m. I think it is going to be a consumer confidence something. Let me just double check. Yeah, it is a CB consumer confidence at 10 a.m. Okay. And we just wait and see now. I had a clean range line over here down here before the 7 a.m. candle closes bullish before, but now that it has closed bullish, now that the 7 a.m. candle has closed bullish, before I get involved in in this area over here, the 1 hour candle has to close below the 1 hour support for me to be able to participate or get involved in capitalizing on this move in that area. So I'll probably just remove this for now because it's not relevant for now. Unless things change, unless things change a little bit later on. Four-hour candle. It's another 1 hour to 51 more minutes before it closes. It's still a while away. To be honest, this is actually quite a risky entry. So I had a really good setup, but in terms of the probability is probably not as great, only because it just made a really strong push up, or it had a strong push down, and then it had a strong push up again. So yeah. Mm, we are 18 minutes away from 8:30. So normally at 8:30 you get another sorry, not another, you'll get the first surge of volume coming to the market. It's not looking good, to be honest. Mhm. We're 12 minutes away from 8:30. Yeah, that's the time. Well, 11 minutes now. It seems to sort of respecting this area here. Right, I'm gonna stop that. Okay, that's it for the day. What a bummer. Uh, yeah, I got stopped at because of spread. I think, but I think price is gonna shoot all the way through this area anyway. Yeah, it hasn't hit my stop loss, but I'm already kicked out because of the spread. Just gonna wait until, just out of curiosity, I just want to know if I get kicked out because of, I lost this trade because of spread or because it was the wrong idea altogether. See, if price actually broke this support and continued down, that means it was the right trade idea. It was just because of spread that got taken out. Yeah, the spread is 2, I think. Yeah, and between here and here is only 1.1. Yeah. Yeah, this is such a strong bullish push. Look at this. It's on the hourly. Now we are 40 minutes away from this candle to close. make me feel much better if price did actually end up hitting all the way right through my stop loss. Now it's actually rejecting that area. If price break this support, I might take a second trade tonight, like so. Four, two, two, four. But we'll see. I don't normally take second trade. Normally I limit myself to one trade per session. But yeah, because it's such a clean range. Oh, and also I will take the second trade because technically I'm still in the trade if it wasn't because of spread. That's why I will take the second trade. Otherwise I wouldn't. If price has already, I mean on the chart has already punched through my stop loss, then yeah, I wouldn't take the second trade. But because it hasn't, but yet I'm out, it's because of the spread. And if price did break this support, the 5-minute support, I will take the second position down. So let me just get rid of this first. Let me just clear. Put alarm on here just in case. Yeah, I got 830. Hopefully I have 830 volume with me. Hopefully, we'll see. Yeah, so we are 3 minutes, just over 3 minutes away from 830. Volume 2 comes in. Two and a half minutes away. There's a bit of a reaction. That area where it was a 5-minute support. And so just under 2 minutes. Yeah, so just to repeat, guys, the reason why I would re-enter this trade is not because I still think price will come down here. No, it's because technically I still haven't. Yeah, just apart from spread, technically I should still be inside this trade. So even if I re-enter this trade, I could still lose, right? And that's fine. I just want to be there every time my setup plays out. That's all. Yeah, not quite 40 seconds. Twenty seconds. Right, so it did not break the 5-minute support. So I have to wait until this 5-minute candle close to be able to decide. And if it does close below this, I will take that short position using that as my stop loss, that as my, this as my take profit. To be honest, September has been a pretty tough month, guys. I mean, coming back out of August, which was was really good, was really smooth, very easy to navigate August. But yeah, September was very tricky. It has been hard, to be honest. Okay. Looking like it wants to break through this support. I tell you honestly, I was hoping that price just really break and punch through my stop loss seriously, so I don't have to think about it anymore. But it seems that I was right. It's just that, well, sorry, hang on. I didn't. I don't know whether I'm right or not, but the the setup still stands. I guess if it wasn't because of spreads. But I really want this. I mean, price to break through this 5-minute support with a conviction, not buy in a couple of pips. Like minimum 5 pips or more. With a nice body too. Not wiki. So 1 minute. Where are we with this? Okay, so I'm in again. So that's my, it's the same stop loss as before, and I'll be targeting down below here. Okay, let's see how we go this time. Okay, so that's where I end. Where is it? There you go. So sold here on the close of that candle, and then my stop loss, which is over here, that peak over there, right? And then my take profit, which is down here, right? So hopefully you can see the resemblance. All right. It's 8:36 a.m. now. We'll see. Okay. We're just over 20 minutes away from the 8 a.m. candle closing. It's really good that after price broke that 5 minute support, even after it's gone um, through the body, it actually was followed by another bearish candle. So it's always a good sign to start off with. Okay, I guess now the question is if it ever going to reach my TP. That's the that's the question, but yeah, it's always a good sign. Right. Because most of the time, if it was never going to work after price did break the 5 minute support with the body before it actually closes below the wick, right, which is the lowest point of that candle, it would create a support, right, over here. So this candle closing bullish instead of bearish, but instead it was actually closing bearish, and it had a good distance between the low of that candle with the that low of that candle, and also closes below that candle's lowest price. You see, this is for me, this is So far still okay because it did give us a new low, right? So this is a swing low, right? So that swing low is lower than that swing low. That swing high is still lower than that swing high, right? So if you see, we just, right, so you got so this swing high is still higher than that swing high, right? I'll give you, there you go, see, yeah. And then this swing low is still, sorry guys, that's such an ugly, okay. That swing low is still higher than swing low, yeah. So it started making lower high, right? Lower high and lower low, okay. But again, so far so good, right? So far everything still ticks the box, but still the question is, I could be right, but price might not reach my take profit, yeah. But everything else seems just ticking the boxes, to be honest. We are 12 minutes away from this um, 8 o'clock candle to close, 8 a.m. candle. To be honest, I really prefer this to close bearish, right? If this close bullish, to be honest, I have no chance because then, yeah, it's actually a support, right? So I'm actually, I just took a trade against a double 1 hour support, yeah. There's no way it's gonna go through there. Yeah, we'll see. Whoa, look at that. What's that? Okay. Hmm. How long have I been in the street? 25 minutes. So, Alright, so we are 3.5 minutes away from this candle closing. Oh man, looks like it's gonna close bullish. So yeah, I think I'm going to get stopped out. Hmm. 1.5 minutes away. All right, I think I'll be kicked out soon. Such a strong push. All right, I'm out. All right, guys, I think there was a wrong trade idea altogether. I just such a shame that it took twice for me to, to find out if my edge is gonna play out or not. But yeah, it's not one of those nights. That is fine. Okay, it is what it is. All right, guys. So I will see you again tomorrow night or tomorrow morning. Same session, same time. All right. Happy trading and stay well.